What is good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Jay, and today I have another awesome video for you all to enjoy. Yes, we are making some juicy, smothered, baked turkey wings, okay? Thanksgiving ain't here yet, but we started early over here, baby, and these are spectacular. So amazing, jam-packed with so many flavors, and this gravy that we have on top, man, it's something special. I'm letting you know right now. And we're not about to waste no more time. We're about to get right on into it. So let's get started. All right, so we are gonna begin with these beautiful turkey wings. These obviously came with the drum portion of it, but I sliced it off and set it to the side for a separate recipe. We all know flat is where it's at. So what I'm doing here is drizzling a little bit of oil onto our wings, and we're just gonna massage it on in. And next we're gonna season it up proper. On the screen I have displayed everything you need to do so, and it will be listed in the description box as well for you to reference to. And you know how we rock on this channel. You always want to be generous, heavy-handed with the seasoning. Gotta make sure these turkey wings are well coated up, just like this. All right, and guys, Thanksgiving is around the corner. I cannot wait. Definitely one of my favorite holidays for sure. So all I'm doing here now is just tossing some sliced onion underneath our turkey wings. We want those on the bottom of the pan. We're gonna be cooking this uncovered. If you kind of put those on top, most likely they'll end up burning and charring a little bit. So I'm kind of putting them on the bottom of our turkey wings. Next, we're gonna toss in a couple sprigs of rosemary. That flavor you get from the rosemary, as well as that amazing aroma, is everything. Now I'm gonna toss in a little bit of chicken broth. I'm kind of pouring onto the side. This is so I don't wash off all of that yummy seasoning that I have on top of our wings. So that's the little method that I'm using here, just pouring it off to the side. Now that our turkey wings are ready to go, like I said, we're gonna bake this uncovered for about 80 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and this is the end result. If your broth dries up a little bit too much, you can always, add a little bit more chicken broth. It's not a big deal. And this is how you should be looking. Now it is time to get that delicious gravy together. So I'm just gonna take my yummy, well-cooked turkey wings out of that pan and place them onto a plate so I can take that broth, and we're gonna separate it. We're gonna take that broth and basically pour it into a you can pour it into a bowl. I'm gonna pour mine into a measuring cup to make it nice and easy when I'm making this delicious gravy. And when I say delicious, that's like an understatement. Some things you just can't put into words. You just gotta taste it for yourself. This gravy right here is life. I'm letting you know, ladies and gentlemen, it is everything. So like I said, I'm just tossing in my sauce from that pan right onto this measuring cup, just to make it easier when I'm getting this gravy together. This is so easy right here. I'm tossing in half a stick of some unsalted butter, and we're gonna also toss in a little bit of all-purpose flour. Once our butter is melted up, you want to go ahead and mix that up. You're gonna kind of let that flour cook. You're making a roux, okay, baby? And once that is taken care of, you're gonna toss in your sauce from that pan and give that a mix, and you should be looking something like this. If it's a little too thick, don't panic. Do not panic. By the way, my heat is to about a medium. Don't panic. You can add a little bit more chicken broth, and that will give you the consistency you're looking for. So it's not a big deal. Maybe you add a little bit too much flour, add a little splash of chicken broth in there, and it'll loosen it right up. Next, we're gonna drizzle this yummy, 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 yummy gravy right on top, and we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of fresh parsley as well, and you are ready to bust down. And I cannot wait to dig in. We got to try this on camera, baby. All right, now this is my favorite part. It is time to give them a try, and they are smelling amazing, looking oh so delicious. I cannot wait to dig in. Let me give you a little bit of a close-up view on this right here, baby. Wow, wow, and wow. That's looking amazing right there. All right, now time to dig in. I'm excited about this one. What? That is... Are you serious right now? This is so delicious. Oh my. So juicy, so tender, so flavorful. You know what I'm saying? There is no tough turkey wings over here. These are well cooked. If you know about turkey wings, you do have to give them some time to get nice and tender, and that is what these are. This goes perfect with some mashed potatoes, side of rice with some veggies maybe. Options are endless, but it's just overall, this is definitely one of my favorites and will be on the dinner plate this Thanksgiving. Ooh, for sure. I really do appreciate everyone that tuned in today. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button as well as rock that notification bell so you don't miss out on any uploads. If you're loving this content, gotta give your boy a like so YouTube knows that you're loving the content as well. Drop down in the comments what you think about today's video as well as any suggestions as far as what you want to see next on the channel, and I'll be sure to see you all on the next one. Deuces.